Okay, see question number 4, JEE 2008 question. Let R be the real line. Consider the following subsets of the plane R cross R. That means see R cross R subsets only relations we know. We have studied like that. Okay. For all values of x, y is equal to x plus 1. See this is S. Here two relations are there. S is one relation, T is another relation. Okay. Don't confuse. S relation for x, for all x, y is equal to x plus 1 and x value also in between 0 and 2. See real number means 0 and 2, not only 1. Because should not be equal to 0 and should not be equal to 2 means if it is integer means only 1. But this is real number. Any numbers may come. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 32, 1 by 16, this side. This side also 3 by 2. Okay, like that also several numbers may come. 1 also will come. Okay, that is first relation. Second relation T, if you observe x comma y, x minus y is integer. That's all. Why? Because here there is no condition that x should be from 0 to 2 only. Any integer it may be. X minus y should be an integer. Okay, this is second relation. Which of the following is true? Like they are asking. C. A. T is equivalence but not S. B. Neither T nor S is equivalent relation. C. Both T and S are equivalent relations. D. S is equivalent but not T. Opposite of A. Prima facie here they are asking equivalence. Whether S and T are equivalents or not. If equivalence means both are equivalents or both are not equivalents or one is equivalent, another one is not equivalent, or this is equivalent, that is not equivalent. That we have to see. That means see, here we are going to find equivalence relation. That means all should satisfy. First I will take T. Why? Because see, S anyway it is not going to become equivalence relation. Okay, anyway I will take S. Okay, see how I am tackling this question. Yes, how it will come? See, x anyway you have to take, y is x plus 1. See, x I have taken 1. First you see. Let x is equal to 1. Why? Because x1 is anyway it has to satisfy. Okay. Then y is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. That means see here 1 comma 2 will be there. Okay. Now you tell me 2 comma 1 will be there. No, why? Because see, y always x plus 1. If 2 comes means 2 plus 1, 3 will come. But if you give 2, 1 will not come. That means see, 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 1 not belongs to R. But this is enough for deciding S is not symmetric. Not symmetric. Okay. See, symmetric, reflexive, transitive, then only equivalence. But S is not symmetric means S is not equivalence. Okay. Wherever X is equivalence written, that you strike off. Yes. Yes. Both T and S are equivalence relation. This is not correct. Why? Because S is not equivalence relation. S is equivalence but not T. This is also not correct. Why? Because S is not equivalent relation. Equivalence relation. Okay. That means two options are closed. T is equivalence but not S. This may be there. Neither T nor. See, if T also not equivalence relation means this will come. If T is equivalence means A will come. Okay. Now go for T. Now go for T. Okay. See, for T, how I am tackling, you see. Here there is no condition that x you should take from 0 to 2 only. There is no condition. In real number line, all numbers you can take for T. Why? Because there is no restriction. But what y and all, you observe carefully. X minus y should be an integer. That means see, why they have mentioned like that? Why? Because see, here I will tell you. One if you have taken, another one if you take, automatically 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 is integer, it is value. 1 if you have taken, 2 if you take, 1 minus 2, because x minus y means 1 minus 2 minus 1 also integer. That is also correct. But real number means, real number line, not only integers, we may have to take fractions also. That means rational number. See, 1 by 2 if you take 1 by 2 if you take 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0. This is also real number. Okay? 3 by 2 if you take 1 by 2 if you take 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2 1 integer. This is also we can say valid. See, relation valid or not we are seeing. Okay? Valid. Now we go back up. Now you tell me, can we take 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 by 2 1 by 2 like? Definitely we can take. Why? Because see 1 1 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 belongs to integer z, valid. If you take any number, same number, subtraction is going to give integer only. That means see reflexive is valid. That means see reflexive valid. Reflexive valid. Why? Because see here even 1 by 2 1 by 2 if you take also 3 by 2 3 by 2 if you take also 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 0 0 is an integer. That is why okay. Reflexive sake it is okay. Still 2 have to see symmetric also. Okay, now you see, now I will write like this. You see 1 comma 2 I have taken. 2 comma 1 shall I take? Definitely I take. Why? Because 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is integer. 2 minus 1 if you take 2 minus 1 is 1 is also integer. Here only integer is a relation. They are not mentioning that same integer should come. No, integer should come, that's all. That means see 1 2 belongs to R, 2 1 belongs to R means this implies symmetrical. That means see this is reflexive and symmetric. If it is transitive also, then this is going to become equivalence. Let us see for transitive. Let us see for transitive. See for transitive, you see 1 to 2 belongs to R. Okay. Then 2 to 3 also belongs to R. Why? Because 1 minus 2 is minus 1 integer. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 integer. Then what about 1 to 3 belongs to R or not? Belongs to R. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. 1 to 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 also integer. It should be integer, that's all. Fully valid. Fully valid. That means this is transitive. Transitive. Okay, see. Now what we can say? We can say T is equivalence. Why? Because all three are appearing. But S is not equivalent. That is why option 1 is correct. T is equivalent and S is not equivalent. Okay. Now we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class. We will try to solve more questions from relations only. At least after certain questions, we will try to go for functions. Okay. Thank you very much.